the machines, the drones, the technology are not going to do it by themselves. We need people who are going to be committed. That has been the problem of our country. Committed workforce. Genuine, sincere people who work to make this thing work. Talk about Tafu when they dropped the vaccine in the blood. I'm trusting that the nurse who took it brought it where she was supposed to bring it, used it for what she was supposed to use it for, and a life was saved. There are people who are sitting here today who may be hearing us who will think, well, we're going to disrupt this by stealing the blood. The blood will never get to the table where the doctors need them. In this country, a whole drug warehouse in Tema disappeared. Let me say it in tree. Nia ompen kasuo biya no oye nipa boni ebeifo. Adie se ya ebei onipa bi ebese no na ye makwan. Na now do adwin vice president ba umi adwin any minister any ade epe ade papa. Akwan so ya yenim da biada enipa wu asire ne ba wu esiaden oni moja yenya moja nko enipa ena madwuma wie peyo enti enipa ya Ghana force ya domain yi se ne se ya dono ne ma na nado ani de so hu ne akwamu dia yenya dwuma ho te yenya committed na se edura ye de koma kwada ohia ohwa hahwa na obi na wi ahye obotom de ko fie onyame hwe asi we mamu dudu na nado ne ba omi anko antumi nyo minister anko antumi nye yenye na ade ne ye no the greatest achievement of any great leader and another year say everything he's done is not done for his personal gain, he's doing it for the public good. That's what leadership is all about.